The purpose of this video is to explain how to manage reports in Cloud Stacking Plan. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and log into the system. In the tree on the left-hand side, you'll choose Reports. And what comes up is a report screen, and you've got a list of currently about 9 reports. We do consistently add reports, to the system, and certainly make changes, based on our users' feedback. So this may change. But what you've got is the vacancy report. If you choose this report and then pick a building, it basically gives you a report of current vacancies inside of a particular building, and then it totals up down here at the bottom. You've also got an expiration report, which if you go ahead and run this, it's going to give you an expiration of suites and tenants, by year, ordered by year. You've got rent roll for just active, and then you've got rent roll for active and archived. If you remember, inside suite detail, you have the ability to archive a suite record and then enter in a new record for that tenant. So if you want to run a rent roll for just the current tenants, you can. If you want to run a rent roll that also includes archive data, it will show active as well as archived if you want to do a comparison. We've got a report for lease comps. We have a report for active and prospective tenants, which is based on what we did over here in occupancy management. We have tenant listing activity, common leasing activity, which again is based on occupancy management. And you've got the available lease profiles, which we showed in the previous video, where if you choose here and then you choose the the properties that have available leases, you can run the report, and you get some nice marketing documents that look like this. And then you've also got an opportunity analysis, which is basically a financial breakdown of available leases. So if we choose these two right here and run report, this is the opportunity analysis for the John Hancock as well as the Western Union building. Down here is what's called a description box, and what that does is if you put in a custom description that you want to show at the top of your report, you can enter in whatever you want for a description, and upon printing it, like if I go ahead and I run my rent roll with this in here, and I'm going to run it for the John Hancock, hit run report, you'll see the words test report up here. So if you want to put in a paragraph of description of what's going on with this particular property, you can enter it all inside of here and go ahead and hit print. Down here is the output options for your reports. You have the opportunity to print it to a PDF, and you can then send it to a print cart, which we explained before if you want to go ahead and print a series of documents in a batch. You can send your reports to a Word document as well as an Excel spreadsheet if you need to edit any of your information. And then simply click Run Report. So if you've got any suggestions as far as new reports or something that we're missing in here, or any changes that you want to make to the existing reports, please let us know. And again, if you have any questions about how to run reports or anything else in Cloud Stacking Plan, please let us know. Thanks very much.